Hi guys, this is Maria from Key English Online. Today I will focus on the writing part of the IELTS exam. But in this video we will focus on writing part 2. Check out my other video for writing part 1. Great. Writing part 2 is the essay. Now I know that it's very difficult, but with these few tips we'll be able to help you. Okay, so you have the essay question. The first thing that you do is underline the key points so you understand what the question is asking of you exactly. Great. The second thing that you need to do is decide what your opinion is, because the question will ask you about your opinion and you will need to fix an opinion and express it in the essay. So what is your position? When you have your position, you will then need to start planning. Now, the best way to plan is as so. First, you have the introduction. In the introduction, you need to include both sides of the argument in a very short sentence, then your opinion, and then something like, in this essay, I will explain why I think this, as the last sentence. Great. Then you have body paragraph A. Body paragraph A will include one side of the argument, and then you will need to give an explanation to why there's this argument and examples. Then you have body paragraph B. You will need to explain the other side of the argument, and you will need to explain why and give examples. And then lastly, you have your conclusion where you sum up the different sides of the arguments in very short sentences, then state your opinion one more time. If you follow this plan, you cannot go wrong. Make sure that you double check once you've finished writing for spelling mistakes. If you've repeated the same word in the same sentence, replace them with synonyms if you have. Make sure you've used some very nice formal linking words such as however, besides, in addition, moreover. Those will get you extra points. Make sure that you spend at least 5 minutes planning and 3 minutes checking. Great guys, thank you very much. If you need help with the writing, I do offer some classes where I can help you and you will feel more confident when you go into your IELTS exam. See you next time. Bye!